Now let's subtract these rational expressions. We have 3 over x plus 2 minus x plus 1 over x squared minus 4. Right away, I'm actually going to factor this. And what does that factor into? That's a difference of squares. So I can make it an x here, another x over there. The square root of 4 is 2, so I can take away a 2 and add a 2. So that is the fully simplified or fully factored form of x squared minus 4. Okay, so look at this. If we're looking to find a common denominator between these two fractions, or rather for these two fractions, we already have the x plus 2 for both of them. So what I can do is just multiply the first fraction by x minus 2 over x minus 2. That way, we have a common denominator of x minus 2 times x plus 2. Same thing for both fractions. So, now we can combine them then with our common denominator. Over here we have x minus 2 times 3. The 3 should actually be in front. And we're subtracting x plus 1. Now it's very nice to put parentheses around the x plus 1 once we're subtracting. That will avoid confusion and despair in the future. So over here we have 3 times x, 3x. 3 times negative 2, negative 6. And now there's an invisible 1 right here, which we're also going to distribute. Negative 1 times x, negative x. Negative 1 times 1, negative 1. All over. Now, if I decided to expand this again, remember that I would get x squared minus 4, right? Because that's what we originally factored x squared minus 4 into, right here. But if you'd like to go through the motion of FOIL, first outside, inside, last, that's okay. So now up top we have common terms. 3x minus x is 2x, and negative 6 minus 1, negative 7. I said common terms, but I meant like terms. And down below we have x squared minus 4. And that is, students, the answer. 2x minus 7 over x squared minus 4.